Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to prepare alternative sauce for rice. This is what I use when I don't have stew or I don't feel like preparing stew. I will use this alternative sauce for rice to eat my rice. This is so delicious. I'm going to cook it with vegetables. Here I have my carrot, my sweet pepper, my cabbage, my green beans, my zucchini. As you can see, I'm going to use it to prepare this alternative sauce for rice. Guys, this tastes so delicious. Without wasting much of your time, let me go and show you guys how I make this alternative sauce for rice, this vegetable alternative sauce for rice. So guys, cooking this alternative sauce for rice, I'm not going to use meat to cook it. Even without meat, our alternative sauce for rice tastes so delicious. So guys, let's go and see how to make this alternative sauce for rice. Let's go and see how to make it. So guys, I'm going to start by adding my vegetable oil. After adding it, I'm going to add my onions. After adding my onions, I'm going to stir it and leave it to steam for just 1 minute. Is okay. So at this point, I'm going to add one of my spices and stir it well. So now I'm going to add my carrot and stir it. After stirring it, I'm going to leave it to cook for 1 minute. So at this point, I'm going to add my green beans and stir it. After stirring it, I'm going to also add my zucchini. After adding zucchini, I'm also going to stir it again. So at this point, I'm going to add my flavored pepper. That pepper is mixed with a lot of spices. So at this point, I'm going to add my sweet pepper. As you can see, I have the yellow and red one. After adding it, I'm going to add my cabbage. After adding my cabbage, I'm also going to add my curry. After adding my powdered curry, I'm also going to add my seasoning cube. After adding it, I'm going to add one of my spices, flavor, and stir all of them together. So at this point, I'm going to be adding my 4 tablespoons of water. I don't need too much water to cook this alternative vegetable sauce for rice. I just need little water to cook it.